Milwaukee REDSTICK box levels are the most durable box levels in the industry, delivering guaranteed accuracy every single time. Levels take a serious beating on the job site. You need a solution that's built to survive in the harshest job site conditions. REDSTICK box levels feature an all-metal reinforced backbone that delivers the strongest, most durable frame against leading competitors. This creates a more secure vial setting to protect accuracy and prevent damage or loosening. SHARPSITE vial technology provides the best readability of any other vial. Don't worry if you drop this. Our high-impact acrylic is 10 times more durable than competitive levels. A magnified bubble is 2 times larger than competitive vials to ensure a fast, accurate read. REDSTICK box levels contain amplified rare earth magnets, providing 2 times stronger holding power compared to others on the market. For users who need a smaller profile box level, we're introducing REDSTICK compact box levels built on a compact box level frame. These levels are designed for tight access use or job site installation applications with smaller working surfaces. We are confident in our REDSTICK levels, and we back them with a lifetime accuracy guarantee. Experience the most durable box levels in the industry, delivering guaranteed accuracy every single time. Milwaukee REDSTICK box levels.